Good day. Sorry about this. Let me change this. Welcome, welcome. Um, yeah, I want to welcome you all to Web Design Business Masterclass, and this is day 9. So we have, by and large, we have 3 more sessions to go, and I must appreciate as many of you that have taken out time to be part of this journey, especially Mr. David. He's very, very consistent. He's been asking questions, and I want to believe that I've been able to help him out in one way or the other. So, just a word of encouragement again to others that are in the group and others that will also still join this masterclass that will be part later watch this training. I just want to encourage you to please put in your best. Um, no one can give you anything a la carte. You must work for it. You must be dedicated. You must be. You must have that panting, that desire to see a change, to get things done, and that's how to get results. So I'm impressed by the outcome so far. I just want to make a little comment and announcement. I want to plead with every one of you that are part of this group that you are yet to pay up. Please pay up your fee, your commitment fee, so that I'll be able to begin to process your project and start working on your certificates, because um, it's a certificate program and I'll be issuing you certificates that you can add to your CV. So it's one thing that you will also enjoy as you become part of this training. Sorry, I want to work with my mic so that you can hear me better. So that you can hear me much better. So um, please pay up. The account number is in the Telegram group. Please pay up your fee so that at least I will be able to have something to also work with for the remaining part of this training. So today I'm not going to share any slide because there's really nothing I want to share in this slide that I cannot show you. I want it to be practical based. So for the last 4 sessions, we have been designing website from scratch. We have been using our elements, our tools, and all that. But today I want to do something different. I want to show you how you can design website from templates, just importing templates, then you edit, or you use Elementor predefined or pre-designed template as well. Anyone, whichever one you want to use would be fine. So I'll be working with the home page alone. So you also use the similar method I used in the last video, how I was able to create one home page, and I used that one home page to create my about us page, my contact us page, and all that. You can start to use that. So I hope I'll be able to do that. Then I will talk a little bit about how you can also build other type of website. For example, we are building this just a business website. You want to build an NGO website. I will show you some of the things you need to know. Um, I will show you much later. So I pray I will be able to get that, so that by next session, I will show you how to um, secure your website. I will show you how to work with SEO, your search engine optimization for your website. I will show you that, so that in the 3 days, 2 days after you have published your website online, you'll be able to you'll be able to see it on search engine. Then I also show you how you can upload your website into a live server. How you can do that, I will show you in the next session. So please don't miss this session and don't miss that next session. So everything we have done on localhost, we want to put it live. So it's going to be a little bit longer than the way it is. Or maybe I can take the security as well today, so that I have enough time to show you that. So that the next two episodes will be for the business side, where I will show you everything you need to know to start running your business as a web designer. So let me just go over and share my screen. Um, Let me go over to my page, which is localhost. Of course, you must have start your XAMPP. It must be on. So your XAMPP must be on. See, it's on. So it must be on. So then you go to that URL where you are working with, which is my own is my first website. And then I'll click on enter. Um, I think it was Mr. David that was he made a mistake. He was using another page builder to design his website, and that was the video you saw in the Telegram group. It's another page builder, so please don't disturb yourself. Sit with Elementor and just follow me with Elementor. So once you have a fine grip about Elementor, you can now start playing with other page builders. Like I said, there are different page builders. We have Divi, we have WP Bakery, we have Tribe Architect, Insta Pages, quite a lot. Beaver Builder or something like that. We have quite a lot of them, so you can play around it. So please, that which you have done is not elemental, and I may not be able to help you that much because I don't really even know the name of that page builder you are using. So I may not be able to go further. So change it to Elementor. Let's work with Elementor. Let's build something with Elementor. After which you have become a master, then why not? You can start to use other things in there. So that's that on that. I don't know why my local host is this slow today. I don't know why that is. Please make it fast now. What is it? Um so since I saved my so let me go to the back end. Let's see if the back end will work. So let me open another tab and open the front page and see which one opens. So I know slash my first website. Please help me beg local. What is this? Okay, let me use this. Local host. An already open page. So I think you should obey this one. My first website. I don't know why that is. I just have to stop and restart it again. Don't know why it's loading as if. So let me refresh it. See, I refreshed it and it started working. They're not serious. So let me just log in. Um, I am I am Anikama. I am Anikama is my username. Then my password. Let me put it so I can enter to the backend right away. You are still looking for network, Abby. You saying password incorrect. So you should enter now. You are not serious. So this is the website you have built so far. The footer menu also is there about us. So I'll show you quite a lot of things you could do. So I showed you how we were able to create this in the end. Build a website from scratch using templates. That's what I'll do. So I'll go over to my Impeca here. Then you go to import demos. So you can do it with Impeca. You can do it with any premium teams, any premium team that has demo. And how do you do a premium team that has demo? You can go to that We A Down website that I gave you that I said you can download premium plugins from. So you just go here and search for WordPress theme. So that's how I know mine. That's how I walk around. So just type WordPress theme. So you want to go for a WordPress theme that has many demo. We can call it demo. You can call it templates. That has many templates. Depends on the English they use there. So this is the about us page. Though it could be better. This is the contact us page. Let's look at what. So look at it. Let's allow it to load. So here, this page is not a multi. It's not really a multi-purpose thing. So this is a team for technology. If you want to design a technology website, you use this team. If you want to design a car dealership and listing website, you use this team. Do you get that? So, but I want a multi-purpose. So you see something like this. This is called multi-purpose AMT. AMP stand for amplified. This is mobile friendly, but I won't use this too because I'm not sure it is mobile responsive. So I think this is also a cool one. This is for charity. This is for charity. So what this multi-purpose. If you go and check this now, let me right click it. You see, go to know more about it. This one is 85 plus pages. Let me open it. But this is for WooCommerce. I'm not designing an e-commerce website, so I've not picked it. So this is Elementor. So look at this now, 60 plus demo. So let me just open and we read the reviews. So that's how we came up with Impeca. So it's not as if I just pick Impeca from somewhere. So you should know that now. So how many demos? He said it has 40 demos and 800 plus templates. So this is a very powerful, but it uses what? P bakery. Okay. It also uses this Elementor. as well. It also uses Elementor as well. So, so look at it. Just read the reviews. 70 premium element, 530 templates. This is a very cool. This is a very cool website. But I can go and look for the demo. Let me look at the demo and see if it's cool. But let me look at this one first too. Let me look at this too. Let me read the review of these two. This also is having this. This is not rich enough. This is not rich enough. So it's not rich enough. But I want to believe it's a very good 60 plus demo. So, but I don't think it works for Elementor anyway. So let me just. So that was how I picked um Impeca. So let me check the demos and see if it has some cool templates that I can use. So just click on demo essential here. So you allow it to load. So then click on live preview. So this live preview will take you to the premium. You can buy the theme or the team owner's website itself. So here, everything is here. So originally the team is sold for how much? The team is sold for 84 $84, and we are getting it for free. May God forgive us. So click on live preview. So we want to see if it's something cool. So let's see those pages. So it's going to load some of the pages for us. The home page. Yeah, this is the home page. So it also has one click demo imports. What I'm interested in is okay, so this is how some of the pages will look like. If this is something you want, we can play around. You can download this theme and use it for your project. So if this kind of website you want, something like this you want, so you can get it. You can get it. So maybe I should just download it for the purpose of this training. I think so I won't use Impec. I want to use Essential. Oh, so let me just scroll. No, let me close this. So scroll down and you see download Essential WP. So you go to this wait here. I hope I'm still online. Okay, I think I'm still online. So then you click on download now. So it's a package 52.99 meg. So it's not a small plugin theme. So this thing will also have other plugins that you can use. So click on slow download. So click on download now. So it will trigger your download dialog box. So you save it. So it's going to save it. Let's wait while I save it. So let's wait while it loads fully. I think it's done. Let's allow it finalize. So all you need to do after is done already. So just go and open it. Control J to bring back the dialog box. Control J, I think. So I just go back here to my downloads. So it should be here. So I'll extract it because I can't just upload it. So I will extract it. So click on extract file and click on OK. So let me go back to it. So it's been extracted. So you see credits. So these are the plugins that will work with it, that you need that will work with it. So they are premium plugins. You may not find some of them in WordPress directory. So but they are going to work with it. And then this is the theme. Then this is the child theme. So let me use the theme now. The theme is how many. Okay, we don't know yet. So let me open that folder. It's about 35 35 megabytes. That's huge. So let me go back here to my website, my dashboard. Um, this is a theme, so I'll go to theme. Let me try and open this folder again to be sure that there's no other. Was this 32 is too much? Let me extract it again. Extract this again to see. So that I will know that the correct thing. So it's the correct thing. So let me leave it that way. Let me just leave it this way. So I'll come over to add theme, then add theme. Add theme. So you click on upload theme, then choose file. Then you so should load some to essentials now. Then go theme, then you pick essentials, open, install. I hope it will be faster because 32 meg is not a small file. So let's see how it goes. I just pray it goes fast and easy. So you just click on activate. So Impeka will still be there, but it will be inactive. So I'll try to now refresh my website. So you see that all these settings will be gone. So let's allow it to activate fully. Okay, It's throwing an error at me. So it's saying that it has been activated successfully, but there's an error here. So just leave it. Click on Start Plugin Setup. So it's saying I need all these plugins. So you may need to just install them. So these plugins are what you could see here. They are what I showed you here. These other plugins here. As you can see, this Fox likes is here. You see that? So you need to install these three. So then you click on install plugins. So it will install by itself. No worries, it's taking time. Dead. I don't know why it's this slow. I don't know why it's this slow. It should have. Shouldn't be this slow. Don't know what's wrong. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. I don't know why you are this slow. Maybe it's because of my server. So just let us allow it. So let's see how our home page will now look like. So he's telling us that there's a maintenance. Can you see that? Because it's working at the background. So that's why you are seeing maintenance mode. So triggers maintenance mode, telling you that there's a heavy work at the background here. So that's how smart WordPress. Okay, it's done. I think it's this is the last one. Don't mind my server. My server is it's been working for days now. So it's been working for days now. So that's why it's very, very slow. So sorry about that. So I think it's done. Then you click on next step. So it's telling me to import. So this is what I want to do now. I want to import demo content. So you click on it. But if you are not importing demo content, you just want to design from scratch, just like what we did with Impeka. So you just click on skip to dashboard. So let me refresh this and see what happens to our home page, to our pages. So let's see how this new theme will have affected our appearance. Oh, my server is slow. Sorry. See, it has been affected already. There's no header self. There's no header. There, no footer. So no header. It's just the way it is. So the only thing is that when I import this demo content, all that I've designed here, they will be gone. They will be gone. I can only recover it back by doing what I did because I have saved it as a template in Elementor. I can only retrieve it back and insert it back to the home page. So you need to take note of that if you are doing import demo content. So let's click on import demo content. So you need to be very careful so that it will not take away the um, other page, other um, page design. So this will be affected, your headers will be affected, your in fact it may disrupt everything, even what you use, you built with Elementor, everything will be gone to superimpose their own. So it's saying this warning, but just leave it the way it is. I don't know why this is. So okay, I've done that. Okay, don't worry. It seems that there's an issue with the website configuration. Please make sure. So let's go and read what it's saying because it's not allowing us to continue. So let's see. Okay. Do you know what? It's telling us that the plugin we are using is not original. So that's why it's not allowing us to work. So I'm sorry, we may not be able to use this plugin, this same theme, because it's not even allowing us to use it at all. Uh, the person tried. The person tried. So let's switch back to Impeka because of time. But I know you get the logic now. Let's switch back to Impeka. So you go to appearance, themes. So it's telling us that it has to be original. Oh, I like that. Thank you. Thank you. It's cool. So let's switch back to Impeka. Let's click on Impeka, then click on activate. So I'll just use Impeka demo for our website. So sorry, Essentials. We love you, but you are not allowing us to use you. So I hope I'm still online. Device stopped. Device stopped. No, I hope I'm still online. So I think I'm still online. I'm seeing someone here. So thank you for thank you for joining. So I'll come over here to Impeca. Click on activate already. So I don't know why that is. So let's still wait for it to load. So let me close this to save my server. So saying Impeca is also asking for code, but you still allow us to use it. So just go to import demo. Then you click on any one, but make sure that it is a team that works with element. Look at this is Elementor, this is WP Bakery. So don't pick WP Bakery, but I'm not teaching you WP Bakery page builder. So you pick the one for Elementor. So um let's pick depending on what you want to do. I'm just looking for the one. Let's pick this Impeccable Business. If you want to design a corporate website, you can use this. For a lawyer, you can use this. For agency, you can use this. You have plenty of them that you can use. So which one should I use? Let me pick this agency. So just click on it. You see select import options. So click on this. So it will now ask in transmission. I'm very sorry for the break in transmission. You are welcome back. The stream still continues. So I was saying that the Impeca has finally imported our content. Everything has been imported. So let's view our website. So click on view your site. So the downside to it is that this might have affected our stuff. So there's a problem here, and the problem is this: our website is not loading. We are having an issue with this pixel pixfort. So I'll just go over to, remember how I told you when you want to troubleshoot errors like this, you go back to the folder you created you installed your work in. So I'll go back here to my XAMPP, to my htdocs, to my first website. Then I'll go to WP content. Then I'll go to theme this time around. Let me this right click it, and I just go to, should I delete it? I shouldn't have deleted it anyways. So then I will also come back to the plugins. There's a core here, a plugin. You can see look at the direction: WP contents dash plugins dash pixel fort pixfort core. This is one thing that is causing the problem. So I'll just go and do what, and disable it by renaming it. So I'll just come over to pix this here. I can rename it by giving it maybe BK, so it will not see it again. Also, anything pixel fort, I'll also rename this so that it's not. So if I reload it now, it should work. It should work. It should work fine. It should work fine. So I told you everything will work fine. So now do you now see that you now need to go and edit this now one by one. So first thing you need to do is to edit this menu here. So by coming over to your custom, you edit the menu. So these are colorful websites that you can play around. So you can play around this as well. So you use your customizer to edit this menu here. Then you also work on the colors as well. So let me first of all deal with the menu. I hope it's there. So I have the main menus set to header. So here I can rename this as Then I need get in touch. Instead of contact us, they use get in touch here. And I think it's a page. I think it should be a page. Let me check. Yes, this should be a page. Yeah, this should be a page. Yeah, there are pages. So get in touch or contact us is still fine. Our services is still fine. So this is a website. So I think I'm okay with this. And I can still play around with my footer. My footer also is there. My footer menu is just these two custom link. This is the footer menu here. So these two here, that's what you are seeing here. So I can also still play with this by coming to this main menu and adding, making it to also be in the footer, so that this main menu, these 5 menus here, links here, will be in at the footer too. So can you see that? is there already. So then I click on publish. Then I can also go and play with the colors. Can play with the colors. The header menu. Let me play with this footer menu. Um, this footer color, Jerry. So I come over to the colors footer. Footer area. This is black. So I want to change it to something like a bluish color. This color like this. So this color will have to change. So okay, it's not changing. Okay, okay. Heading color white, font color white, link color white, border color. Let me still give you this again. Let's see. Go back. Let's try footer bar area. Then let me change this to this blue color again. So this color should change. Should change now. So this is changing already. So this footer area, I don't know what's wrong with it. It should change to. So let me just click on publish. It should change normally. It should change normally. So my header too, I can play around the header. Top my header and menu. I want to play my default header. I want to make it this blue again, this blue as well. So I can pick this blue. Let me pick this blue. So it should change. So border color. Let me pick a green. Text menu, let me give it a black. Still okay as black. This, let me give it a orange, a blue. No, it's not work. Let me give you something like this. Just publish it. So that's one downside to some of these things, is that at times you may not easily get your results immediately. So let's assume I'm done with the header. So you now want to design the inner pages. You still do the same thing. So you come over here. This should change. I don't know why it's still giving me a headache. So you click on edit with Elementor. So with the Elementor here, you can play around with the Elementor here. You can now edit that website. So it's going to load. So you just play around this as well. Change this. Design plus develop. We love to work with clients all over the world to design and develop unique modern websites and apps. So I want to bring an image here. So I click on this element, then I pick image, type image. So I drag it. It didn't work. Control Z. It did not work. What did they use here? Single image. Actually, an image is there, but it's not working. That's the downside to um, editing templates. So you need to be sure you know what you are doing. So if I don't know how to work around this tool now, I won't be able to know that there's already an image here. So I'll just come over here. Then I would want to pick this. So then I'll select it. So I pray it loads well anyways. It didn't load well. So let me pick landscape medium crop. Let me pick landscape medium crop. Um, I think it's okay. So um, that's how you continue to edit, continue to edit, continue to edit every of the elements here, continue to edit it. Uh-huh. Continue to edit. If you want to put another element here, you can put it here. You can edit this one as well. So pretty cool. That's another way of building website. So let me click on publish. Let me refresh this. Of course, this will not even display very well. It may have a 404 here, self. It may have a 404 here. Error 404. Ah, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. I hope it's not giving me error 404. My about us. So it may give me error 404. So it's not giving me error 404. This is the predesigned template. So you can also come and edit with Elementor and edit what is in this about. You can edit it also with Elementor. Just play around this and edit it appropriately. Remove that which you don't need and edit it appropriately. Now, another thing you can do if you want to design a page is that you can use the Elementor pre-designed template. So let me open a new page. Let me create a new page plus this plus new here. Then click page. So let me allow it to load. So I'll give it a name. This is just for so let me give it a name. Let me call it landing page. Then I'll click edit with Elementor. So you can play around all this, play around this, play around it. I may not have that time to start going back to that. That's why I showed you the tool. So play around this. So just click on edit with Elementor. It should load. Okay. Elementor. So So one I can, if I don't want to use the Impeca whatever, I can come over here and use the Elementor template, define templates. Let me click. You can also use build with AI, but that those ones you can also use Impeca templates as well. You can also use Impeca templates. You can build a block. We call them blocks. So let's see Impeca templates first. It's different from Impeca page or demos. So these are templates. So this one is a header template. So you can see these are pages. These are pages. Eh? You can bring down any of these pages if you want and edit. You can also bring down these blocks if you want and edit. So let me pick one page and see if I can bring it down. A home page. This is a home page, and let me just search for home page. Home page. So let me insert this to our workflow. So it is still the same. It is still the same thing. So you are using a template. You are using blocks or sections. They are still the same thing. You all achieve or you are building from scratch. The most important is that you know how to use each tools. That's the most important thing. Oh, so let's see. So you can see it has downloaded the page for us. So the page is now downloaded. You can still play with this as well. You can edit the content here. So I can come over here and just edit it and put my own email there, tracktechdigitals.com.ng. Get in touch here. Can play around. I can put my link there, https y.me/23481123523. You know, I can do plenty things. So here I can write my own Biola. So this is a personal website. Shunde Abiola. This is a personal, and I specialize in create custom websites and apps. Let me change this image. You can use this block by block, whichever one fits. Then you can also, you know, work from. Let me go back to my downloads and see if I can still. I still have access to some images. I hope so. I hope so. So you see, it has downloaded everything about that page. It has downloaded it. So this is my own new image that I want to put there. So I'm going to change this to this. Forgive me. So I'm going to change this to this. Then you can play around this as well. Change all this, using the gallery I showed you then. Play around all this, all this text editor, property. Let's follow the code. Show. So of course it's going to be live anyways. So let's view the page. So now what I want to show you is clients they to you and get plugins, or we want to design our NGO website. As a web designer, you should be able to know the themes or the plugins that will fit in. Well, of course, I've showed you how you can get the theme that you want to use. You can use a demo theme from some theme makers, or you can use a theme that is specific for that project, for that type of project. So you want to, for example, now you want to design a you want to design you want to design let's say you want to design an e-commerce website. Now what are the plugins you will need? So you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help you out. But before ChatGPT came, there were some things we used in those days. So you need to know how to find your way around all these things. It is not everything that I'll be telling you in this course, anyways. You should find your way. So you can build any website, whether it's a portal, it's um, a real estate website, it's a school website, anything, you can build it. In fact, you can build a learning management system. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, I want to build a learners management system via WordPress. What are the best tools, plugins, and themes to use? So ChatGPT will give you some answers. So thank God for AI. So it'll give you some tools, some plugins to use. So it's telling us that the best that it can use for us is Lender. So you go over to your dashboard. So you go over to plugins now, add plugins. Then you go and search for Lendash. Lendash is the first one. So it's telling you Lendash, Tutor LMS, Lifter LMS, Master LMS, Study LMS. All these tools, they are inside your your plugin. So let me Lendash is not there. Lendash is not there. You can only see Lendash may not be there. I don't think Lendash is in WordPress directory. So let me see what Lendash is there, but I doubt it. So you may need to go to weadown.com to download your Lendash. I told you it may not be there. You may have other tools that work with lender, but the lender itself will not be there. That's just it. It's a premium thing. So let's look for which is the second one. Tutor LMS. You see that it is best free and pro. This one is what? Is pro, is paid. It's not a free stuff. That's why you did not see it in the WordPress directory. So let's type tutor. So all you need to do is to install. That's all. Just click on install and it will be installed for you. Some of them, they have videos that you can go and watch on how to, but more often than not, immediately you install them, you see their settings this way. Just go and start playing around it. But if you don't want to waste your time, you can go over to YouTube and type how to work around or how to use tutor LMS or how to set up tutor LMS. It will show you how to do that. So we are told that we can also use these themes here. Cadence, Eduma. I've used Eduma very well. Astra. I've used Eduma very well. So yes, it's now telling us what other plugins. Of course, Elementor will have to be there. So member press, we can use it, and what this is what member press is used for. WooCommerce also, you need to install it. Uncanny Tool Kit, you need to install it. Fluent Form, you need to install it. These are the things you will need to do to put it. So for you to design an LMS website, you will need this tool. Just install, start playing around, and you set it up. So let's say, for example, you want to create for a real estate website now. So let me see, for a real estate website, what are the tools and that I can use? So it's telling me that I should go and use. Oh, sorry. I should have. Let me. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me write it. Let me write it the way I wrote this one here. I'm sorry. I can write. How about tools for creating real estate website with WordPress? So, and that's how you will know so all you just need to do, get the names here. Real homes, it's saying real homes. Go to Google Direct. If it's not there, go to your vadown.com and download any of the themes and the plugins. These are the plugins that will also work with it. Elementor Pro, MailPoet, Face WP, WP Property, and all that. All these are some of the things you'll be needing. So I think with this, there shouldn't be any problem with you creating any form of website. All you just need to do is just get to know the type of website your client wants to build. Go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, give me the name of plugins or tools, the best of them that I can use to create, and start researching, start looking for videos online, or start playing around, install them, play around them, and see how you get your results. So that's just it. There is nothing special about creating websites. So I hope that has been helpful to you today. So from today henceforth, you can design any type of website. You already have a team, you already have a plugin, you can use Elementor very well. Then find your way around it, and if you have any issues, you can come to people like us. We'll put you through. If we need to refer you to some other videos or tutorials, we'll refer you so that you'll be able to create something meaningful and something tangible. So this is where I want to stop. So in the next class, I will show you how to import or how to create um, um, a website from a live server. We'll be working with a live server in the next class. Now I'll show you how to secure your website, um, then your SEO as well. I will show you how to do that. So take time to practice what you have learned today, work with it, and there's no task than just for you to practice and show me what you have done so far. Thank you so much once again, and I'm happy to be your trainer. My name is Shunde Abiola David, and I am your facilitator for this training at Tractech Leadership and Digital Academy. Till I come your way in the next session, please continue